Hi, welcome back to All About Wheels Manila, Bike of the Week. I'm Bill from BikerBox, and this is the Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory, new for 2021. So as you can see, actually, this is an all-new design for the Aprilia RSV4, last year's model. There's a new facelift for the RSV4, all new fairings, new tank shape, footbed positioning, but the engine is more or less the same. Still the 65-degree V4 engine, but they did bore it up from 1077 to 1099 this year, producing about 217 horsepower and about 125 Newton meters of torque, which is still pretty crazy. We've got fully adjustable electronic Öhlins shocks for the front and rear, also steering damper, Öhlins. I was able to spend about a good few months riding this bike, of course, being part of the team, right? It feels like a cheater bike. I can talk about all the numbers of all the other competitors or my numbers versus theirs, but there's no replacement for what you actually feel when you ride. And whenever I swing a leg over this bike, start the engine, like that, it just sends goosebumps down my spine, and it just unparalleled for any other bike that I've ridden this year. The chassis is just nice and flickable. The power is nice and linear, very predictable, but at the same time, very usable, all the way up to the 13,000 RPM red line. And the suspension, because of the fact that it's fully adjustable, you have full control over it. No matter what corner, no matter what road condition, since it's also adapting constantly to every road condition that you're going through, this bike is just so easy to ride, and it's so easy to be fast on this bike. On a straight, on a twisty road, it's just fast. And I just want to show you guys the front of this bike, because I think this whole redesign, that whole new face, big ass winglets. The 2020 did come with winglets before, but these are more integrated and bigger, providing more downforce. And the new headlight is just beautifully designed. My friends and I call it the light blades. Of course, it does come with up and down quick shifter. Real quick, it does have multiple ride modes. It does have adjustable and applicable rider profiles for each suspension setting. But that's pretty much it. It's just an insane bike. It's one of the best bikes I've ridden. To check it out for yourselves, drop by here in our shop in Sukat or in our new showroom in Pasig, Brixton. Also, you can check out our other shops in Pampanga, Laos Group, BikerBox Pampanga, and then BikerBox Davao as well. So again, I'm Bill from BikerBox. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next episode of All About Wheels Manila, Bike of the Week.